What's up guys, the girl back in another video. Today we are playing Granny 2 with only Grandpa. We're gonna escape with the boat. Sorry again that I couldn't play Granny Morty Minus, but I will be getting I will keep looking for that game till I find it, and then I will play it for you guys. Thank you. Now let's get into this video. God damn, I look beautiful as fuck. I mean ugly. Oh yeah, totally ugly. I ain't never gonna be beautiful in my life. God damn. What's an ugly face like that playing a game for? God damn, boy. Day 1 with Matagan. Bro, it took you 1 minute just to stand up from bed, bro. What the fuck? No. No glitches, please. Matagan. What's out? I thought everything is in the bathroom. Yep. You motherfucker! Shut the fuck up! You bitches! Oh, I'm demon. Why didn't I just go upstairs? Like, why am I dumb? Like, why? I don't know, my guy. I don't know. Like, who the fuck is scared of Grandpa, guys? Comment below. That bro's cool, bro. Grandpa is the main character in Granny, my guy. Okay, that bro is coming. I don't know how he didn't see me. Maybe he's just calling Granny. Because bros, you're blind as fuck. Yep. We got the gasoline. Should be taking that. Bro still walking, my guy. I think he's coming upstairs. Yes. We are getting. Yeah, fucking bro. That's for the front door, my guy. What the fuck, bro? But yes. The camera. I don't know where that bro is, but no, fuck, bro. What the fuck, bro? What's this? What is this? Why you give me the helicopter key? Wait. Yes. He's downstairs at the boat. I'm supposed to escape. What the fuck is he doing there? What the fuck is he doing, bro? Why the fuck is he being a chill guy over there, bro? Okay. Ooh, let's go. He totally didn't hear that. Bro, fuck no. I take that for good luck, guys. And now I'm not gonna escape out of it. I only take it for good luck. We need the boat key and the steering wheel, guys. That's all we need. Oh! Yep. Bro. Let's go. Let's jump in. Oh! We killed out that baby. And we killed around. Where the dim-ass grandpa? No fucking way. Fuck no! Get the fuck out of there! Bro, fuck that thing, fuck that thing. Like, fuck, bro, why? What? You totally fucking do, bro. You know how to do, then. Sorry, like this, so I can see his big ass head. Bro, what the fuck? Your sugar daddy isn't here right now, my guy. Oh, bro, where the fuck am I gonna get those two things? No fucking way, bro. Yeah. Damn. I need to get this man.
I see you.
You dog! You fucking dog! Please. So he left the door open. So he's dumb. What he didn't.
You want to play?
Oh, what the fuck? I won't play with you if you're the last guy on earth. Just give that nigga some meat. Oh, Grandpa just be chilling, bro. He doesn't give a fuck that I'm in his house. Bro thinks he's the main character. He's just a chill guy. Shut the fuck up, bro. Woo, 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 woo. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That bitch is gonna go on the cameras again. You, bro, fuck you. No! Fuck! Well, I guess we have to wait till that motherfucker sleeps. I need to get that hand grenade. Ooh, they sideways butt cheeks. Why am I stuck in the game? Why am I so lame, bro? Why the fuck am I losing this stupid ass game, my guy? Let's just put the boat things on. Bro, if I could get there in Grandpa's security room, we set, bro. We're gonna be fucking shit. Let's fucking go. Let's go. I thought I would die, but I didn't. Yes. Yes, we're going. We're going. No fucking way. Bro, who the fuck were you saying that to, bro? There's nobody here. I guess if you count me, then yeah, you're somebody. But bro tells me to be nobody. Oh fuck, I forgot. We need the boat key. We need to go to that room again. We gotta get out of here. Bro's listening his wife's song. That song's awesome. That song goes so hard, bro. We go, we just don't die. We mustn't die, bro. We die, bro, if we die. Come on. We're gone. We're gone, bro. "15 minutes. We gone. Next time gotta expect faster, bro. This wasn't fast. Bro. This was a fucked up escape, bro. Later, bitch. Later, you dickhead! Later! Later, gator. Or whatever you are, octopus. With some eye inside of it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm the GOAT and I'm out.